day 6, and save. Now let's start creating a sketch. Choose right plane. Let's create a line with L. Okay, now let's create a midpoint relationship with the origin. Perfect. We have a length of 900 millimeters. Now let's create the following outline, and we will add the dimensions at the end. Okay. This length will be 500 millimeters. This one 480. Then 410. Okay, now this distance will be 50. $385 millimeters. Now 250 millimeters. This one 100 millimeters. And that's it. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Let's close the sketch. Now let's extrude with E. Drag. Change direction to symmetric. Whole length. And for distance, 460 millimeters. And hit OK. Awesome. Now we have our reference volume. Let's add some fillets with F. Select this edge, this one, also this one, this one. Okay. The bottom edge too, and also this one. Okay, the value will be 50 millimeters. Let's check that everything is okay. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to see the magic and why we are using this reference volume. Let's go to pipe, select this edge. Will be a circular section. For side will be 2 inches. So write 2 in. Okay. Now check hollow. Section thickness will be 1.2 millimeters. Operation will be new body and hit OK. Now we can hide the reference volume. Go to bodies, uncheck the body one, and let's rename this one to chair. Now it's time for creating the elastics. So let's start by creating an offset plane. So let's go to construct, offset, choose front plane, let's drag, and this distance will be 450 millimeters and hit OK. Now let's drag these points so we can see the plane better. OK. Let's create a sketch on this new plane. Go to perspective view. Let's select these faces. Now let's go to create, project include, and intersect. Now we have the intersection of these surfaces with the plane, so we can use it as reference for creating the elastics. Okay, let's check slice to see inside. Let's create an offset with O, select the other edge, 2 millimeters, and hit OK. Same for the other side. Let's hide the body to make things easier. Offset 2 millimeters and hit OK. Now let's use line and create 2 horizontal lines. OK. Let's add a tangency relation. This one with this edge and this one with this edge. OK. With the trim tool, let's cut this, this one, and this one. OK. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Let's close the sketch. Extrude with E and select all the profiles. Great. Now let's drag and add a distance of 320 millimeters. New body and hit OK. Great. Let's add a shell. So shell, select this face, this one, and 2 millimeters. And hit OK. Great. Now let's do the same for the top side. We need to create an offset plane. So let's go to construct offset plane, top plane. Let's drag and will be 250 millimeters and hit OK. Okay, let's extend the plane. Perfect. Okay, let's create a sketch. Now let's go to perspective view, select the surfaces, create, project include, and intersect. Hit OK. Let's look at and hide the body. And let's repeat the process, an offset 2 millimeters. Same for the other side. Now 2 horizontal lines and a tangency relation. Trim the excess. I think I hit the wrong one. Let's go back with Ctrl Z, trim this one and this one. Okay. Now let's extrude with E. Select all the profiles. Okay, let's show the body. And let's drag. And will be a distance of 150 millimeters. New body. And hit OK. Great. Now let's go to shell. This face, the bottom one, 2 millimeters, and hit OK. Great. As a final detail, let's create a fillet for these edges. Okay. Also for the bottom section. Okay, 1 millimeter and close. Perfect. Great. Now it's complete. Okay, let's add an appearance. Let's press A. Let's search Chrome. Now Chrome black. Drag to the body. Let's change the roughness and a little bit of black, and done. Okay, now let's search fabric. Black. Okay. I want to change the color of the fabric, so let's go to advanced. Change image to color. I will look for a gray, dark gray, and OK. Now let's change the scale. So go to scale, drag it a bit. Perfect. Done. Okay, hit close. Now let's go to design, render. Okay. Go to scene settings, activate in canvas render. Now we have a preview of the render. Now change background to environment. Choose the one you prefer. In my case, rim highlights. And OK. Now let's close. I will change the fabric color a little bit. And that's it. Thanks for watching.